Carpet tiles work well for people who have problems with allergies or sensitivities to certain materials. They also offer a great-looking and practical solution for people who live in colder climates, where carpeting isn't as practical as it is in warmer climates. Carpet tiles are created with the intention of being installed in residences and other commercial buildings. These tiles are durable, cushioned and easy and practical to install. We provide the best quality carpet tiles in Dubai. The carpet tiles that we offer have a high durability and an aesthetic appeal which makes them perfect for use as an office or public space flooring. The way these carpet tiles are made has been noted for its quality, making it not just a safe investment for a residential or commercial property but also a smart one. We provide the best quality and latest design of carpet tiles in Dubai. We have different types of sizes, shapes, and colors available for you to select from. We also provide carpet tiles for stairs, halls and corridors. Furthermore, we also have a perfect warranty system that will ensure your peace of mind so you can feel confident in purchasing our product.